Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been waiting for the right time to secure your online privacy, this is it. Right now, NordVPN is offering a massive discount, and they're even including an Amazon gift card as a bonus, making it the absolute best time to sign up. On top of the official sale, I'm giving you a special coupon code that will help you save even more than the standard offers. To get started, make sure you click the link in the description. This is important because my custom discount is directly connected to that link. Once you're there, just copy the coupon code from the description as well. After clicking the link, you'll land on the official NordVPN page. Click on Get NordVPN to see the different options. These codes are versatile. They work on every plan. For this demo, I'll select the Plus plan. Once you're on the checkout page, look for the section that says, I got a coupon code. Enter the code there, hit Apply, and you'll see the price drop instantly. One quick tip, if you decide to go with the 1-year plan, make sure to use the coupon code CB15, as that one is active and working too. Don't miss out on the extra savings. Go ahead and check the links in the description to grab your discount and your gift card today.